Hello students, welcome to Shore of Sir's classes. You can reach us at www.shoreofsirclasses.com or call us or WhatsApp us in case of any queries or clarifications at 9874822756 or 9836793076. You can also email us at shoreofsirclasses@gmail.com. So today we'll be solving some BCA questions. So let's move on. So in question number 14, we have an organized collection of large amount of interconnected or interrelated data stored in a meaningful way used for manipulation and updating is. So we have option number A as data, B as folder, C says data mining, and D says source. So option A says database, and C says data mining, D is a data source, and B is folder. Now we know that a database is an assortment of data which are organized so that it could be easily accessed and hence updated and managed. So the answer will be option number A, or database. Now moving on to the next question. In question number 15, we have which device can understand difference between data and programs, and as options we have input device as option number A, B says output device, C says memory, and D says microprocessor. So obviously the answer will be here option number D, because microprocessors are the brains behind these computers, and processing units are basically microprocessors, so that they can differentiate between data and programs and others, like they can compute other stuffs, and they are usually composed of a few integrated circuits or IC chips. So option will be option number D. Now moving on to the next question. So in question number 16, we have which language is used to set permission to access a table, and option number A has DML, B says DCL, C says DDL, and D says all of these. So we can safely say this is not the case, and option number B will be the correct option, because a DCL, or a data control language, offers syntax similar to a computer programming language, which is used to control data stored in a database, and hence we can set permission to access a table using DCL, or data control language. So option number B is the correct option. Now moving on to the next question we have. In question number 18, we have which of the following gives a logical structure of the database graphically. So option number A says entity relationship diagram, B says entity diagram, D says architectural representation, and C says database diagram. So among these four options, the correct option will be option number A, because the entity relationship diagram is a diagram or a graphical representation, a graphical representation of entities and their relationships with each other, which are computations or computations in organizations position of data within the database. So entity relationship diagram is a graphical representation of entities and their relationships with each other which are used in computations in organization of data within the database. So option number A will be the correct option. So the answer is A. Thank you.